Hey, this is Ed from Foss Audio and Tint coming to you with another update for our inventory blowout sale. This time we got woofers. Check out this woofer, Rockford Fosgate. This is a big bad boy, Power series. Rockford has 3 series. They have Prime, they have Punch, and the top of the line is Power. This one's Power. The cone on this, reinforced with Kevlar. Same stuff they make bulletproof vests out of. Also comes with this very nice grill. Keeps your woofer from getting damaged. Shipping weight on this bad boy is 31 pounds. This is a big bad boy woofer. It is awesome performing. We've sold more than 100 of these, and it is fantastic. It's reliable. It's loud. Definitely recommend getting a good box for it, because you can't get a big old woofer and get like some cheap box. It'll blow it apart. So normally this woofer is $3.99. We have a limited supply. We only got maybe 10 or 15 of these things left, but our inventory blowout price, $199. $199 for one of Rockford's top of the line woofers, Power series. And one other thing that we have on the sale, so I don't have to make a second video, I'm just going to throw it in now. Because it's cold as hell. If you got a Dodge or a Chrysler, we're doing remote start, $249 installed. That's all you need. You pay that, you pay your sales tax, you're done. $249 installed, remote start, Dodge, Chrysler, tons and tons of cars. You're going to hit the lock button on your car 3 times. It's going to fire up and be started. It's cold out. Get down here. We'll get it installed same day, remote start, $249. See you soon.